Stop sending boring proposals and start landing deals with proposals that clients actually want to say yes to. First, head over to Proposify and sign up for a free trial €1 no credit card required to get started. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Click on the template library. Proposify has hundreds of beautifully designed, customizable templates. Use the search bar to find one that fits your industry and style. Once you've selected a template, click Use this template now. Let's customize it. Change the logo, update the colors to match your brand, and tailor the text to speak directly to your client's needs and pain points. Next, let's build out your pricing. Proposify lets you create interactive pricing tables, add your services, set your pricing tiers, and enable optional add-ons. This empowers your clients to choose the options that best fit their budget. Almost there. Now, it's time to add the digital signature block. Proposify's e-signature feature, secure and legally binding. Your client can easily sign the proposal from any device. Finally, click Send Track when your client opens, views, and signs your proposal. This allows you to follow up at the perfect moment and close the deal faster. Ready to transform your sales process? Head to Proposify and start your free trial today. Start winning more clients with proposals that convert.